Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to start chapter number 6. The name of chapter is decimals. According to me, this chapter is not a new chapter for you. You have already done this chapter, decimals, in very much detail in class 4th also. Okay, so let's start with exercise 6a. If any new concept will come, then I will explain side by side. Okay. Now, the first question is write in expanded form. This is decimal form, expanded. What is the meaning of expanded according to you? You know what is the meaning of expanded? If you know, then write down in the chat box. I am writing here expanded. What is the meaning of expanded? No one? Fine. No, Shiven. Expanded doesn't mean add. We will use the symbol of addition here, but expanded doesn't mean add. Expanded means open it. Expand it. With the help of plus sign, your 50% result is correct. Whenever the word expanded is here, then the expanded means open it. And when we will open it, we will use the symbol of plus. Fine. Now, on the this is very important that I am going to explain. This is decimal. On the left hand side of decimal, this is on the left hand side of decimal, we will use Indian system. Indian system means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is the Indian system. We will use Indian system on which side? On the left hand side of decimal. Fine. But on the right hand side of decimal, we will not use this Indian system. We will use the decimal system, because on the right hand side of decimal, this first position is of tens, TE and THS. This second position is of hundreds, HUNDREDTHS. THS. Similarly, this is not thousand only, this is thousands. So THOUSAND, thousand, THS. So on the right hand side, we will use the decimal system, and on the left hand side, we will use the Indian system. Now this is 3. What is the place of 3,000? So 3 multiplied by 1000 plus. This is 4. What is the place of 400? So 4 multiplied by 100 plus. This is 7. What is the place of 7? Tens. So 7 multiplied by 10 plus. This is 9. What is the place of 9? Ones. So 9 multiplied by 1 plus. Now, right hand side, decimal system. This is 1 not multiplied by 100, divided by 100. Sorry, not multiplied by 10, divided by 10. Okay, plus. This is hundreds. So 0 divided by 100 plus. This is thousands. So 5 divided by 1000. So this is the way to write any decimal number in expanded form. On the left hand side, you will use Indian system, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and on the right hand side, you will use a decimal system. And in decimal system, you will not multiply, you will divide. So look, this is tens. So 1 not multiply, divided by 10. This is hundreds. So not multiply, divided by 100. So write down. Then we will start next part and the concept. will be clear to you. Write down. Then we will start the C part. After that, come to the C part. C part is, and one more thing, you can also write this thing as like this. Both are same, your wish. You can also write this in term of words, means 3 thousands, like this also. So use any of one method, any method, all are correct. Next, C part is 21 decimal 1097. As you know, on the right hand side of decimal, we will not use the Indian system. So this is not 1097. No. This is 21 decimal. What is the name? अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ इसको कैसे pronounce करोगे तो कैसे करोगे? 21 decimal 1097. Not 1097, because on the right hand side of decimal, Indian system is not applicable. Fine. The question is write down in the expanded form. Same question. On the left hand side of decimal, we will use the Indian system. Indian system means this is ones and this is tens. So let's start. 2 multiplied by, what is the place of 2? Tens. 10 plus. This is 1 multiplied by 1 plus. Now tell me, on the right hand side of decimal Indian system, this Indian system ones, tens, 100 is applicable or not? Write them in the chat box. On the right hand side of decimal, this Indian system ones, tens, 100 is applicable or not? Very good, Kinjal. No. On the right hand side of decimal, Indian system is not applicable. So this is first after decimal, this first place 1 divided by 10. First means 1, 1, 0. Then after decimal, this second place. Second place means 2. So 2 zeros, 100 in the denominator. Then after decimal third place, 9 divided by 3 zeros plus. After decimal fourth place, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth. So 7 divided by 4 zeros. So this is the expanded form. 2 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 1. Why 1 multiplied by 1? Because the place of this one is ones. Then 1 by 10, 0 by 100, 9 by 1000 and 7 by 10,000. Fine? Write down. After that we have E part. 143 decimal 011. This is not 11. This is not 11. This is 143 decimal 011. So again, on the left hand side we will use the Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 multiplied by 100 plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1 plus. Now come to the right hand side of decimal. On the right hand side of decimal we will use the decimal system. So this is after the decimal, this is first place. So 0 divided by 10. This is second place. 1 divided by 100 plus. This is third place. 1 divided by 1000. Write down. Very good, Kritagya. Write down, students. Then we will start second question. Second question is, write as a decimal fractions. Expanded form is given. Look, in the second question, expanded form is given to you and the question is to write in decimal. In the first question, decimal is given and the question is to write in expanded form. And in the second question, open form is given, means देखो open है ना plus के साथ, expanded form is given and the question is to write in the short form. Now, in the question number 2, students stop writing. Okay, don't write. After that I will give you time for writing. Stop writing. Write as a decimal fraction. So first of all you will write down the places. Whenever the question is to write in the decimal, first of all this is compulsory to write down the places. So here this is decimal. Here you have ones, tens, 100, 1000. And on the right hand side we have decimal system. 10 THS, tens. 100 THS. In decimal system you will always write THS. Okay, you will not write 10. नहीं तो ये वाला 10 हो जाएगा left hand side वाला. On the right hand side we have decimal system and always write THS. Similarly 1000 THS, thousands. Now check A part. Come to the A part. In the A part, 8000s. S वाला 1000 कौन सा है? Single S वाला. It means ये वाला 8. Then 8 ones. This is ones. 8 ones. Decimal. 3 tens. THS. 9 hundredths. 9 hundredths. Now tell me students, what about these two vacant places? What? 100 not given in your book, tens not given in your book, thousands not given in your book. Now tell me what about these places? 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. We will write here 0. So this is 8008 decimal 390. Yes, this is very important. Vacant places filled by 0. Always fill the vacant places. जहाँ पे कोई आपको डिजिट गिवन नहीं है ना, आपने उसको ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ देना, वहां पे आपने 0 से फिलिंग करनी है उसकी. देखो आपको ये गिवन नहीं था तो आपने इसको ऐसे ही नहीं लिख देना, इसको फिल करना है zeros से, like this. Very good. Now write down and then we will start C part. Write down students, and this is compulsory to write places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is very much compulsory to write, otherwise your half marks will be cut. Next, come to the C part. Check from your book C part. C part is 600s. 600s. S वाला 100. S वाला 100 ये है. Next, 9 tens, S, this is. Then decimal, 8 tenths and 4 thousandths, this is. And these vacant places filled by what? Tell me. Very good, Mehak. 0. So this is, you can also write this as 690 decimal 804. No need to write this 0. No need to write this 0. You can write or ignore also. Both are the same thing. Very good. Well done. Yes, very good response from all of you. And you can write this 0 or ignore this and 0. Not middle 0. In between zeros, you will not ignore. Listen to me very, very carefully. These two zeros are in between the numbers. So you will not ignore these two zeros. But you can ignore the zeros which are present at the ends. ये देखो बिल्कुल end पे है. End पे है ना इधर, तो आप इसको ignore कर सकते हो. लिखो चाहे ना लिखो, both are the same thing. Fine. Komal, my video is not paused. No. Write down, then we will start third question. Convert the following into decimals, like decimals. In fourth class, you have done the concept of like decimals. You know what is the meaning of like decimal? Yes, Bhavya? Yes, Bhavya, tell me.
Decimals are
Tell me what are like decimals.
two or more decimals fractions are called like fractions decimals if they have equal numbers of decimal places.
Now tell me what does it mean? If they have equal number of decimal places. This definition जो आपने अभी मुझे बताई है, this is given in the book ना, इसका meaning क्या है? This is the definition from the
मैम
book. What does it mean?
मैम दो
Equal
से
number of decimal places.
मैम दो से ज्यादा डेसिमल वाली फ्रैक्शन हम उससे लाइक फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं, जो वो इक्वल हो जिधर उनकी प्लेसेस हो, तो हम उनको लाइक डेसिमल्स कहते हैं.
नहीं, अब मुझे आप ये बताओ, जैसे मैंने ये लिखा 4.639, ठीक है? So 5.60. Now tell me, these are like or unlike? Tell me. 4 decimal 639, 5 decimal 60. These two fractions are like or unlike? Tell me.
मैम अनलाइक.
Why? Give me the explanation. Give me the explanation. And what about this? 4.67, 4.6. What about these two?
मैम लाइक. मैम लाइक फ्रैक्शन, लाइक
Are
डेसिमल्स.
like fractions.
मैम यस.
And these two are not like fraction. And what about this? If I write 7 here. Now tell me, what about this?
मैम अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन.
These are like fractions. Now students, listen to me the concept very, very carefully. These two fractions are like fractions. Okay? Now listen. बेटा like fraction doesn't means कि वो दिखने में सेम होने चाहिए. ये देखो, जैसे अभी भव्या ने बोला मैम ये like है. Why? क्यों? क्योंकि ये 4 है, ये 4 है, ये 6 है, ये 6 है, ये 7 है, ये 7 है. बट ये कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है लाइक का. ये लाइक है. Like doesn't means digits same. No. Like means after the decimal, counting of places equal. Look, after the decimal, count the places. 1, 2, 3. After the decimal, count the places. 1, 2, 3. Same places after the decimal. It means these two decimals are like decimals. It means these two decimals are like. I am again repeating beta. Like doesn't means कि वो ऐसे सेम होने चाहिए जैसे ये है. ये देखो 4 4 6 6 7 7. नो, ये जो सेम होते हैं ना इनको लाइक नहीं, ये इक्वलेंट होते हैं. दीज आर इक्वलेंट. These are equivalent decimals. Equivalent means equal because both are equal. 4 4 6 6 7 7. So the concept of equivalent and the concept of like different. In the like you will count the decimal places. Decimal places means decimal के बाद में आपने counting करनी है digits की. ये देखो 1 2 3 1 2 3. Same places. It means both are like decimals. So this is the concept of like. Now come to the third question. Convert the following into like decimals. A part is 0.91, not 91. 0.91. Then 10.819. After that we have 89.637 and 142.8. Now tell me, 4 decimals are given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are unlike. Very good, Arman. Beta, wait. I am going to take your attendance. Wait for 2 minutes. Now, count the places. After the decimal, 1, 2. 2 places. After the decimal, 1, 2, 3. 3 places. After the decimal, 1, 2, 3. 3 places. After the decimal, only 1 place. Check. Counting different. ये 2 है, ये 3 है, ये 3 है, ये 1 है. तो डिफरेंट डेसिमल प्लेस हो गई ना, तो ये अनलाइक है. तो इसको लाइक करने के लिए, काउंटिंग सेम करने के लिए हमने किसके अकॉर्डिंग चलना है? बिगर के अकॉर्डिंग. बिगर कौन है? 3. 3 के अकॉर्डिंग चलेंगे. ये 2 है तो इसको 3 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आपने राइट एंड में इधर 0 लगाना है. ओके, ये एज इट इज. नाउ ये भी एज इट इज. हियर 2 zeros. Now check the counting. After the decimal, 1 2 3. 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 So now all the decimals are like decimals. So like means decimal places must equal decimal places. So to make them equal, write 0 on the end of right hand side here, not on the left hand side, end of right hand side. Now what about D part? Come to the D part. D part is 80 decimal 1 to 92 decimal 1 and this is without decimal. देखो इसमें बेटा डेसिमल है ही नहीं, नो डेसिमल. सो चेक द प्लेसेस. 1 to 2 places, 1 place and no decimal here. So now this is means 0 decimal place. Very good, Divya. We will convert this to the decimal. Well done. So this is right as it is. 92 decimal 10 and 1896 decimal 00. Any modification if you want to made, then make that modification, any modification if you want to make na, then make that modification on the right hand side, no modification on the left hand side. Look, this is 80 decimal 1 2, then 92 decimal 10. बेटा कोई जीरो आपने डेसिमल के लेफ्ट में नहीं लगाना. जितनी भी मॉडिफिकेशन करनी है जीरो से, आपने वो सारी की सारी मॉडिफिकेशन कौन सी साइड पे करनी है? राइट हैंड साइड. और ये देखो इसमें डेसिमल है ही नहीं था. सो दिस इज 1896 डेसिमल नहीं है, लगा दो डेसिमल और डेसिमल 00. नाउ चेक द काउंटिंग आफ्टर द डेसिमल 2 places 1 2. After the decimal 2 places 1 2. After the decimal 2 places 1 2. So this is the concept of like or unlike fractions. Okay. Now come to the fourth question. Write down this and come to the fourth question. Find the greatest fraction. Find the greatest fraction. Question number 4. A part 162 decimal this and 126 decimal this. Divya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, tell me the name of this decimal number.
Oh, 162.91.
And what is the name of this?
126.91.
Why this is not 91? Why the name of this is not 162
Because
decimal 91? Yes, tell me.
And because they are after the decimal.
They are after the decimal on the right hand side. On the right hand side. After the decimal and
Right.
on the after the decimal on the right hand side we will use which system? On the right hand side of decimal we will use which system? Indian system or decimal system?
Decimal system.
That's why this is 91. क्योंकि अगर ये इंडियन सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग होता तो फिर तो हम इसको 91 बोल देते. On the right hand side we will use the decimal system, and in the decimal system this is not 91, this is 91 या 9 tens 1 thousands or 90,000, not thousands, hundreds. This is 9 tens 1 hundreds. Okay. Now which number is greater? Out of these two, which number is greater?
100.
162
162.91.
bigger than 126 decimal 91. This is bigger and this symbol is compulsory. And this is the symbol of, this is a symbol of what? What is the name of this symbol? What is the name of this symbol?
Compare.
Compare. The name of this symbol is, this is a symbol, this is known as alligator. This is known as alligator.
Indicator.
Alligator. 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 This is symbol. This greater than sign, less than sign, is equal to sign. These all are alligators. हम इनको क्या बोलते हैं? इनको क्या बोला जाता है? ये थ्री सिंबल्स को alligators. Fine. Now come to the next. Very good, Bhavya. Alligators. Next is D part. 187 decimal 653 and 187 decimal 651. Okay. Now, which number is greater out of these two? Which number is greater? Check. This is 187. This is also 187. After the decimal you have 6. Here after the decimal again we have 6. Now move to the next. After the decimal second place 5, again 5. Now move to the next. 3, 1. Out of 3 and 1, which is bigger? 3 is bigger. So 187 decimal 653 is bigger than 187 decimal 651. Yes. If the digits are equal, if at any place digits equal, then move to the next until they are unequal. So 187 equal. Now move to the next. 6 again equal. Move to the next. 5 again equal. Move to the next. So 3, 1. 3 is bigger, so this number is bigger. Fine. Now fifth question is based on write in ascending order. Students, tell me, what do you understand by the term ascending? Ascending means, Divya, what smaller? Yes, smaller to greater. Arrangement from smallest to biggest is termed as, yes, very good, very good. So ascending means, ascending word is used for, ascending means arrangement from smallest to biggest. This is. So let's start fifth question, A part. Arrange in ascending order. Check A part from your book. I will write solution only here. Check A part from your book. Question is given in the book. First is 4 decimal 9 to 6. Second is 18 decimal 3 to 4. Third is 18 decimal 4 to 8. Next is 18 decimal 5 to 8. And the last is 18 decimal 2, 3, 4. Now tell me, which number is smallest? Which number is smallest? 5 decimal numbers are given to you now. Tell me, Out of these 5 numbers, which decimal number is smallest? Yes. So 4 decimal 926. Then next 126 is Nishchay. 126 is not given in the question. Why are you writing 126? 126 is not given in the A part. I am waiting for your responses. Next we have, very good, 18 decimal 234. Yes, 18 decimal 234. Then 18 decimal, after that 18 decimal 324. Then 18 decimal 428. And in the end we have 18 decimal 528. First of all, write your solution with comma, then with alligator symbol. In the end, 4 decimal 926, this. In the end, this symbol is compulsory. And you can write directly also. So, alligator mouth is open. Alligator mouth is open towards the bigger number. This is alligator. Alligator will eat the, beta, alligator is a kind of crocodile. Okay. So, alligator will eat the bigger number. So, that's why the alligator mouth is open towards the bigger number. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बच्चों को बहुत कंफ्यूजन होती है, वो स्मॉलर नंबर की साइड पे इसका माउथ ओपन कर देते हैं. नो, एलिगेटर विल ईट बिगर. ओके, सो दिस सिंबल इज इंपॉर्टेंट. So this is the concept of ascending and descending order. Write down. Rest we will do tomorrow, and homework I will send you through Snap homework or your WhatsApp group. Write down this. And in the end, if you will not write this thing now, this alligator symbol, then your half marks will be cut. So this is very important, the symbol of alligator. Good. Now start solving E part. If you have finished with this now, in your notebook start solving E part. 43 decimal 81, 43 decimal 18. Nishchay, why are you writing Punjabi font here? Raghav, raise your hand. Yes, Raghav, tell me.
Ma'am, question find the greater fraction में अगर मैम कोई भी ऐसा नंबर हो जो सेम हो जाए, लाइक 804.007, 804.007, तो मैं उसके